We picked up this 1972 Corvette Coupe to run the Hemmings Great Race presented by Coker Tire. The Great Race is a cross-country time, distance, and endurance rally, and this year it's going to cover 2,300 miles from Minnesota to South Carolina, so we need to make sure this Corvette is in top form. In the first episode of our series, we take a closer look at the car, go for a road test, and then get it up on the lift for a thorough inspection. We'll be working with Coker Tire, Zip Corvette Parts, and Corvette Central for this project, and they'll be supplying everything we need, so the first step is to work up a parts list. Right out of the gate, we had to address some issues with the starter, so that's where the work kicks off. We've only got about a month to get this Corvette ready for its 2,300-mile cross-country journey, so make sure to watch the Hemmings YouTube channel and socials to keep track of our progress.